Hi, I just want to make an introduction because I believe this vlog will be very memorable for me. Starting this today, it's actually mga 1 na sabong sa aga. I just finished making everything, just the last few activities, the last few PTs, natapos ko na. And later on, ipang-pass ko na lang sa mga mistro ko. And I have my defense tomorrow. And mapass naman ko sa mga PTs ko. And starting today, wala na gid Kuya Ulubrahon from school. I'm so happy because honestly, this year has been so tough sa amon nga batch nga mag senior high school dumaybe ko. We've been through a lot sa batch ngayon and I think so many students sa batch ko can relate of how hard it was these past few months for us. It was really rough. It's also gonna be a vlog about, me applying for the college that I want. Also, I think dala man di ako niya baccalaureate and ang graduation day ko kag kung ano naman involved in it. So I guess this is gonna be a very long video, but that's okay. Good morning. It's 8 o'clock and I'm going to my classmate's house. I'm just getting ready. Actually ready na po. And I will go na. Ang my bags ko ay malaki na. Imagine, here ko subong sa may Grand Plains. Maagi ko diri sa may Land Heights, tapos magwa ko diri sa Takas, tapos malakat-lakat naman ko pa Save More, tapos mapa-school na ko, masakay na ko sa bus, tapos makakadto na ako sa school, makadto naman ko kay sa Pagorwan, tapos makadto naman ko sa senior high school teachers office, tapos mabalik naman ko, masakay naman ko Tagbak, mabalik naman ko diri sa Quintin, tapos mawaki naman ko from Save More, pasulod sa Land Heights, pasulod sa Grand Plains. So, imagine nyo na lang. Kaya ko pa ba? Barely. Pero nagbinyo mo life. Kaya wala ko dala anything. Just this and my money. Ang bilhin ko bago purposefully. Finally, napasa ko. Nicole! Nicole! Sino na, Alex? Hi!
Importante. Kaya ka, ang ganda ako. Importante. Ay, nagiliw.
Excuse me. Ayan. Research defended!
Research defended! Yay!
Vlogger may 30 subscribers.
Ay, ako sa Reels ni Loisa. Super fun.
Galing, ganaguba sa Instagram ang akon nga quality. Look at what I'm doing, guys.
Proud pa na siya.
I'm trying my
Maganda ka, chinilas ka lang.
Kaya ano, ma'am?
Pasudla lang. Pasudla lang.
T-shirt. Okay, so pag lang halin sa na siya, kay naaga, mabalik naman kami.
Kalakso ka, girl.
Oh, grabe, gidya pa kadto sa na siya.
Wala nang sabat yun. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ano?
Gabo to si Piyu ya.
Oh my God!
Ay, si Piyu.
Magamuna kasi man.
Si Piyu. Marje, we will.
Hindi magsimita. Nonchalant.
Marje. Pasal?
Wala pa day.
Ay. Ano?
gosh, guys! We're here at the College of Communication shopping! matcha shake here sa co-op. Second floor. Right sa kilid sa stairs. Namit ang ila matcha shake, honest. For 45 pesos, pambato sa ina. What can you say?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ito nga po.
It's really nice. Pamitanis.
The best.
Very
Strawberry.
refreshing.
Wala man siya ganyan.
Hello. Right now, I'm gonna be making tracts as in TRACTS for church and for to evangelize. So I have to make my tea first because I am having sore throat and sakit-sakit di akong throat. So I'm making Yogi Honey Lavender Stress Relief Soothing Serenity Blend. I've already brushed my teeth and already did my Bactidine gargle. And so I'm gonna drink tea because sakit nila. And I have it with hot water. It's really good. I have it with hot water, but it's not really that hot. Para hindi maglala ako yung throat. Here for the longest time. I cannot avoid the kalamig ko. My tummy is burok-burok. Makita niya sa YouTube. He's joking. Pwede mo?
This is our halo-halo. It's promo. It's promo today. So it's gift today. We saved 11 pesos.
Dugin reklamo, nagka-traffic sila.
Beth, hi. Say hi. Hi.
Today nga lang. Hi guys! Bye! Vlogger! Kaya mini vlogger! Nagbabay! Ito si guitar and bass.
May video ka di sa akon bala. Hello, welcome to my vlog. We are going to Guimaras tonight. And I have with me, Missy. What are you doing? Studying siya for tomorrow's exam. Pakita.
Vlog yarn!
Yes, I am vlogging. You didn't know? So we are waiting for our friends.
sa Manggahan Festival. Sa tunay na buhay mo lang, rewind! Yung may dumaan na tao sa buhay niyo,
Magunila!
pero umalis din siya kagad. Eh, sino naman sa inyo yung nakaranas ng may dumating pero nag-stay? Wow! Why do comments come my way? Why do all of things was never meant to last? Was it never meant to Everybody jump, 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 jump!
Jet lag na. Namit bed and bed. Worth it.
Ay, kalaw-law.
We're at the beach. Currently, it's manog 1 o'clock in the morning. And we are just getting a room right now. So, bye! Dring area.
Dere?
Dring or something. So dark.
So, hi guys. We've come back to Earth. Mahara ka da. Anyways. Hi guys. Now we're in your... Okay, so... What are you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Ikaw yung gonna interview. What are you gonna do now?
Tamad na ko.
Patulog eh. Okay, so basta di kami di maghalin na sa aga.
Hindi ko siya magligo sa aga.
Kaya din lang ko. Hindi, joke lang. Gusto ko lang yung maligo. You know guys, my hair is so oily. The Parmesan.
Ito Parmesan.
Yeah, ko naman muna.
Hindi Parmesan.
It's Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Wala ganyan. Ang alam sa Kardashian. Walang...
siya. So beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. Gusto bangan naman guys. Sana all na lang ah. Grabe namin ang sunrise.
Wala sun.
Nami oh, sana all may tatay.
Have no dark joke.
Morning people of the Philippines and of the world. Hanami isang beach resort sa likod. We are walking in the winter wonderland. Kabudlay mag-video ga shake. Very obedient.
Nueva Valencia to Hordan. Mahapit kami anay papakalmangga.